Hey guys, I'm recording this video from the room I'm currently staying in Philadelphia. I'm over here teaching Irish at Villanova University on a Fulbright, and I'm having a great time. So basically it's Sunday morning and I woke up and I had this thought that I've been having for the last week or so about all the students who just did their Leaving Cert and are starting college for the first time, and how I have a message for them all. Whatever college you're going into, find the Cumann Gaelach and join it. It's the Irish Language and Cultural Society, and basically they organise loads of different events that are to do with Irish language and culture. Nights out, pub crawls, music gigs, weekends away, debates, dramas, radio shows, like all sorts of different things. And it's just such a great society, and I just want to encourage people to join up. So if you have any interest in using the Irish that you have, or improving the Irish that you have, or just helping, add to the Irish language community on campus, please join the Cumann Gaelach. It's amazing. And I wouldn't worry about your level of Irish either, and that's why I'm doing this video in English, because if you know me, you know that I love Irish, but I went to an English school, like a normal school, not a Gael school, and I didn't have amazing Irish when I started college, and I was really nervous. I didn't know if I could join the Cumann Gaelach because everyone there seemed really, really good at Irish, and it was intimidating, and I was worse at Irish than many people, but without even trying, I just learned. If you're going out on nights out and going to events and going weekends away with people, you're just picking up words, you're picking up sayings all the time, and my Irish improved so much. It was amazing. You want to keep up the Irish that you have, definitely join the Cumann Gaelach. I have so many friends who got A1s in the Leaving Cert and didn't join the Cumann Gaelach, and then turned around after 4 years of college and were just like, oh god, I can barely speak Irish, I can't really remember it. Because they weren't using it. And I just have to say that you'll be part of this community of people that are just so passionate, so supportive, so inspirational, and you really feel that. And I didn't realise when I joined the Cumann Gaelach, when I did that in my first week of college, that I was signing myself up to be part of this amazing community. It's like a family, really. And I just can't imagine my life without it now. And the people in that community are just fantastic. And I know, because some of my best friends are Irish speakers and everything, that obviously I love them, but I do genuinely think that there's something to do with the type of person who places a worth on Irish. It just makes them someone who has similar values to me. Like, if you think that Irish language and culture is something worth investing your time in, like protecting it and inspiring other people to use it, if that's something that you willingly spend your time doing, there's a chance that I'm going to get on with you, basically. So that's why, it worked out for me to be meeting those people and to be part of their lives and have them part of my life too. And the community as well, as I said, it's not just in your college, it's Cumann Gaelachs in other colleges, and it's Cumann Gaelachs around the country, and then when you leave college, you have all these connections with people nationwide. And so basically, no matter where you're starting college, and you walk in Freshers Week and you see all the societies asking you to sign up, please find the Cumann Gaelach table, sign up, and I promise you, you won't regret it. And if there is no Cumann Gaelach table, make a Cumann Gaelach. I know that one of my friends, there was no Irish society, no Cumann Gaelach in his college, and he set it up. He set up a new one, and it grew and grew, and it was really popular. So it just takes one person to set it up, and maybe you should be that person. And also, if you're watching this video and you're not a first year student, if you're actually going into your second, third, or fourth year, you can still join the Cumann Gaelach, and you won't regret it either. It's nothing to do with your level of Irish. People don't care, what your grammar is like, or what your vocabulary is like. It's just that everyone who is at the events comes together and has an agreement that Irish language and culture is important. And international students join, people who got did pass in the Leaving Cert and always felt they weren't good at Irish but enjoy speaking it, they join. It's not something that you have to feel like you're an A1 student to join either. So that is it, and that's my message to you from Philadelphia. I hope everything's good in Ireland. See ya.